Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you these headphones here. These are the Sony WF-1000XM4 wireless noise cancelling headphones here. Upper class baby, because these are really nice headphones here. Our sound, nothing else. An exceptional listening experience that's tailored just for us. The WF-1000XM4 truly wireless headphones take industry-leading noise cancelling technology and audio quality to the next level. Made to fit every ear, they offer a personalized experience that adjusts to every situation. The WF are really nice because it comes with the industry-leading noise cancellation. Now, even better. Everything in the 1000XM4 headphones has been designed from the ground up again. Like this new integrated processor V1, specially developed by Sony, which cancels more noise than ever. A new driver unit with better performance, noise sensing microphones, and innovative noise isolation earbud tips with a more stable fit. And we have an exceptional sound quality. The earbuds here now support high-resolution audio wireless. Thanks to the specially designed 6mm drivers, they reproduce a dynamic sound despite their small size. And the high compliance diaphragm reproduce a rich bass range. The integrated processor V1 also enhances sound quality and reduces the distortion, and enables the LDAC codec processing and DSEE Extreme, baby. You see, that's nice. But back to the industry-leading noise cancellation. Everything has been designed more. Really cool. It comes with a noise cancelling for us, okay? Specially developed by Sony. Minimize wind noise. Even on windy days, we will stay totally immersed. Automatic wind noise reduction mode detects when its wind noise automatically suppressed it for more effective noise cancellation. And we hear more what's around us, if you like. In ambient sound mode, the headphones capture more of the sound around than ever before, which means we get a more natural listening experience and stay connected to our environment. And it comes with an exceptional sound quality, with high resolution and 6mm drivers. The drivers now supports high resolution audio wireless thanks to the LDAC, the industry adopted audio codec technology. LDAC and transmitted approximately 3 times more data at the maximum transfer rate of 990 kilobit per second than conventional Bluetooth audio allows us to enjoy high-resolution audio content in exceptional quality, as close as possible to that of a dedicated wired connection. Because you have to see, if you does not use a wired connection, it's not full throttle, because there is another medium around us. This is the air, and it has to be through the air to our headphones from our Bluetooth connected devices. It's using Edge AI, Artificial Intelligence AI, DSEE Extreme, Digital Sound Enhanced Engine. This upscales compressed digital music files in real time, dynamically recognizing instrumental, musical genres and individual elements of each song, such as vocals or interludes. It restored a high-range sound lost in compression for a richer, more complete listening experience. So immersive, it's real. The immersive ourselves in a sound all around us. As real as if there is a live concert or with the artist recording in the studio. Every time we put on the headphones with 360 reality audio, the music has never been so immersive and so real. 360 reality sound. It's really cool. Then Sony provides a complete ecosystem for immersive music experience. The 360 spatial sound technology lets us build and experience immersive audio on a range of platforms, content, and devices with 360 reality audio. We have core technology. 360 reality audio is a new immersive music experience that uses Sony object-based 360 spatial sound technology. And individually, it delivers a new music ecosystem. The aim is to get the creative potential of 360 reality audio into the hands of all creators. They are continuously expanding the creation, distribution, and music streaming partnerships to enhance music experience. And creative and professional tools are on the market. With 360 Work Mix Creator, this helps both professionals and amateurs creators transform their stereo audio mix to a limited 360 reality audio sound system. It can be placed above or below, at the front, to the side or behind, to bring music-loving fans right into the center of an elevated music experience. And we can explore the 360 reality audio with these earbuds here. Really cool. Compare 360 reality audio and conventional stereo sound to understand how it sounds. The difficult between is we have a 360 reality audio with speakers and headphones. And in stereo, sounds are sourced from just two speakers. With 360 reality audio sounds, the source, vocals, instruments, and effects are each placed on a 360 sphere that surround the listeners and creates an immersive experience. Stereo, 2. 360 around us. The Whitney Houston estate hasn't partnered with Sony to Hannah Whitney's legacy or imprecast sound, for example. So we can't use this to hear these 360 awesome sound steps. And 360 means you are in the scene. And smarter. An ever smarter listening experience. As soon as we speak to someone, speak to chat, automatically pause the music and lets in ambient sound so we can conduct a conversation. Handy if we want to keep our headphones on or if our hands are full. And once we chat is over, our music starts playing again automatically. Speak to chat recognizes and reacts to our voice. It is based on a precision voice pickup technology, which combines our microphones and sensors with advanced audio signal processing. And we have adaptive sound control. That means automatically adjust to our situation. Automatically. Adaptive sound creates a smart function that senses where we are and what we are doing right now. Then it adjusts the ambient sound settings for the either listening experience. For example, traveling. We lose ourselves in our journey with no background noise to interrupt our favorite tracks. Or while we are walking, be aware of everything around us, from street to office, while still enjoy the music. Or if we're waiting somewhere, we hear important announcement while we wait without noticing other background noise. And the headphones that get to know us, we can optimize to have adaptive sound control, learn to recognize places that we are frequently visit, like our office, the gym or favorite coffee, and tailor sound to suit the situation for us. And it designs to fit. Ergonomic surface designs for a better fit. Since introducing the world's first in-ear headphones in 1982, this was the MDR E252 by Sony. They have survived a huge amount of data relation of the shapes from around the world. And these headphones here are a product of the research of that, combining a shape that matched the ear gravity with a new ergonomic surface designed for a more stable fit. And we can use the app to find our perfect size too. If we like, we can use this, because there are different shapes of plugs in it, which you can use to bring it to your fit. And a comfortable connection and control. It's perfect for TV shows, movies, and more. We're watching videos content on our smartphone or tablet. The advanced wireless connection of the WF-1000XM4 syncs what we see on screen precisely with what we hear on our headphones for more enjoyable viewing. The optimization of the transmission algorithm with the integrated processor we want has made the connection more stable and less prone to sound skipping. Even in an environment where there is interferences, it allows the sound to be transmitted both ears at the same time with very low latency and with a higher signal strength than ever before. These are the Sony headphones WF-1000XM4. These are wireless noise cancelling headphones in high resolution sound. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.